Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your Fiat Punto's wiper blades in just minutes. And if you notice, the wiper blades here on my car are broken in the center. The rubber part has got damaged, and that's why it's leaving a streak of water. And these are the replacement wipers that I've got from a very popular site that has a lot of Fiat specific parts. So I'll be sharing a link for that site in the description section below, and you can purchase these wipers from there. So let's quickly get outside and get to the part of the replacement process. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do here is lift the wiper blades up and get them to the standing position. Now the next thing that you need to do here is if you notice on this wiper blade, there's a little push thing like an attachment. So you need to push this thing in and then lift the wiper towards the top and take it out. So on the top, if you notice, there's a little cap like attachment on which the wiper sits. So basically you need to push it up a little bit and then twist it to take it out. Alright, so let's do that for the other one as well. So we push this in from both the sides, push it towards the top and then twist it to take the wiper out. So yeah, that I hope that's very clear. And now for installing the new wipers, we'll do the same steps in the reverse order. So here, if you notice, there's a little notch like thing on which we will attach the cap like thing on the wiper and then push it down, press this thing in, and once it's in place it will give a little clicking sound. So yeah, that's done for one wiper. Let's do it for the other one. So for the second one, we'll do the same thing, attach the cap on the notch like thing on the wiper rod, and then we'll push this a little bit down, push this in, and then you'll hear that clicking sound again. So that's all you need to do for replacing the wipers. We've done it for both the blades now. So you just saw how simple it was to replace the wiper blades on a Fiat Punto. Now let's check if these new wipers are working fine. And yes, they are. You don't see any streaks and it's cleaning off the windscreen quite effectively. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.